What's up, guys? Steve here from Cut Break NL, getting ready for a sick lineup, 4-box basketball break. We're live for teams, and good luck with it. 9:05, we're jumping into it pretty much right away. Atlanta to Washington, and Jordan to Jamie. Big boxes here, especially that one-on-one. I'm eyeing a box myself. 1, 2, 3, timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 9:06, 9:06, last and final. Here's your fourth and final, 9:06, 9:06, New Orleans, top of the list. And Chicago to Milwaukee. All right, there's your teams. Now, 9:06 on your names. 1, 2, 3. Just checking something here real quick. Yep, okay. 3. 9:06 somehow still. 9:06, last and final. Nathan nailed the Pelicans. Here's your fourth and final. 9:07, 9:07. All right, Nathan, you're taking home New Orleans. Down to Jay with Detroit, and Danny to Colin. There's your teams, guys. I'll put them in the comments. We'll see you in about 10 minutes. Less. Cheers.